Good morning and welcome back to my daily vlog. This is Sarah, your socially awkward seller of the people, by the people, and for the people. I am coming to you with another daily vlog. Did I already say that? I probably did. It's early. And I thought I would show you the things that sold today. I am going to be sitting here and working all morning and trying to get some things listed. And yeah, because I need to do that. And then I don't know what the rest of the day will bring. Got to figure out that cooking situation. That'll happen later, but yeah, gonna try and get some stuff going. So let's talk about my items that sold. I keep looking over here and I don't know why. The first thing was, I think I showed you these just like last week maybe. They haven't been listed very long. I paid $3.50 for this shell, and I think, what is this one called? That could be important to know. This is a horse conch or trumpet shell, and this one is about 14 inches long. This is a nice big one. I got a best offer of $27 on that. Let's see what else. I sold, this is the last piece of the willow tree. This is the last piece of the willow tree nativity that I bought. I bought the whole thing except for like the manger or the creche. For $14 2 years ago, I think. And I've been selling these pieces for $15 to $40 since then. This is the last piece. This little guy took so long to sell because I broke his elbow, and I do have the pieces in here, so he was damaged. But I did get an offer this morning of $15 on him. So even though he is damaged, $15 on that guy. This is Precious Places, Fisher-Price, 1980s, and this is part of, I think this works with the Magic Key Mansion. I think that's that's like the big house. But this has this set has a key with a magnet, and you can use it under the places to move the little people that have magnets in the bottom. It's really kind of cute. This is the chapel, the wedding chapel or church, and it does have a working light in the top. There's a steeple that sits on here. I've had this for a while. I bought this at a church sale, a whole big lot of it for like $20, and I'm down to like just 2 or 3 little pieces. So I sold this for $29.99. I have had these for quite a while, but sometimes when you buy big sets like that and you break them up, it does take a while. But yeah, $29.99 on that guy. I took a best offer on this. This is one ring to rule them all. If you look closely inside, you can see the elven. No. This is a ring to a New Wave convection oven, one of those countertop convection ovens, and this extends the size of it. I paid $4.99 for this and 2 other pieces to the oven. I got a best offer of $12 on this, I believe. Nope, $16 on this. Funny enough, I sold another one for a different oven. They haven't paid for it yet, so I haven't shown it. But that one was $12, and this one sold for $16. And then, let's see. I'm missing something. Finally, this. This is a Wilton manual cookie press. This is not an electric one. I have been buying cookie presses all year, and because they will start selling now. People will start doing their holiday baking. This sold on Amazon for $16.99 plus shipping, and so that will go out today as well. So those are my sales from over the last 24 hours. What's funny is, like, until yesterday, late yesterday, I didn't have a sale at all. And then all of a sudden they just started coming in. I don't know. It could have been that I listed the day before. I have no idea, but that's the way it works. So anyway, I will catch back up with you guys after I get this stuff shipped and get a little work done and let you know how things are going. Till then, stick around. Okay, so just doing my shipping, and I got another item paid for. This actually sold yesterday and they paid for it this morning. It's this box of 3 smoke detectors that are brand new, and these were $5 at Goodwill for the entire box, and they are new, not been used. And I got a best offer. I had these listed for $89.99. I got a best offer yesterday of $55. I said yes please, and they just paid for the shipping and the purchase. So I'm going to ship these as well this morning. So I just thought I would show you this too. Hi there. It's the end of the day. Yeah, about 6 o'clock. It's dark outside because it's winter. So I got very little done for eBay today, but I did get some other things done that were important to me, and that makes me feel good. I was able to get a pen tablet, software drivers on my computer, and I think I've got that working. I bought this, let me show you, this older pen tablet to try and play around with some art. I've got the pen here, and I've never used one of these before, and I'm not an artist, but this one is a used one. It's a little bit of older technology, and it was pretty inexpensive, but it's still a decent company. It's a UG, and I thought, you know, that might be fun to play around with, so I got that done. And I am working on downloading some worksheets and doing some research for my graphic novel, which I don't know if I'm going to be able to turn this into a comic book because the story just keeps getting bigger, and I don't know if I can condense it back down into just a few words of dialogue and you know, compact it into panels. I'm sure I can. I just might be 65 when it's done, but I don't care because this is really a journey for me to start something and finish it. There's no time limit as long as I don't quit. So I've got that done, and I did list a few. I did draft a few, and then I went to help my friend Andy fix some software for her that wasn't working, so that should be up and going now. And I was able to talk to one of my longtime subscribers, and now a new friend, on a video chat today, which was a lot of fun, and I fully enjoyed it. So it was a good day. I'm hungry. I'm going to go eat some leftovers and chill and watch some TV and hang out with the hubs. And we'll start again tomorrow. Cat Sandy's right here, like, stalking me. Calm down. Hey, buddy. And I did sell some things today. Not a whole lot. I think I sold a couple things, but only one thing's been paid for so far. And hopefully we'll get some more paid for overnight. I am going to send out some offers because I haven't done that today. I don't even remember if I did it yesterday. Can't remember. And then I'm going to call it a night and start again tomorrow, where I will be, I'm going to try and write about 500 to 1,000 words on my graphic novel, and I'm going to try and get at least 10 things listed tomorrow. And those are my hopes. Thanks to everyone that answered the Starbucks question, and I think a few people told me what it is that you drink. I think here in the very near future, I'm going to try the drinks that you told me what the You know, what is the thing that you order? Because I have such a hard time, but if I've got something to go by, I can go in there and say, give me this, and come on, man. And I should be able to do it, just to try it. Normally I don't like to spend that much on coffee, but it'll be a nice little treat, I suppose. Let's see. Question of the day. Android or Apple? Are you an Android user or an Apple user, and why? I happen to be an Apple phone user, Apple Watch user, but my computer is a Windows-based computer. So just let me know. You know, these are just interesting little tidbits that I can pick up from people. So that's it for me today. I will be with you again tomorrow. Again, thanks to everybody for the comments and the likes and the views. I really appreciate it. I hope you're enjoying these vlogs as much as I am. And with that being said, like, subscribe, comment, and just remember that the dream works when you do. So keep dreaming and keep working, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.